Hey, my name is Ralph and I'm with Flexfilm. A lot of people seem to be kind of confused about what our business model is, and I believe it has something to do with big brands dominating the industry over 60 or 70 years, sort of brainwashing you into making you believe that you can't buy a professional grade film unless you have a business license. You know, they also want you to do buy-ins. They want to give you territory commitments. There's a lot of things they want you to do. Meet quotas, get certifications, be exclusive. The list goes on. You know, where can you go and buy a window film that is equal to big brand or better without the hassle? Well, that's Flexfilm. You can go to our website, flexfilmstore.com, and you can check out, and nobody's gonna ask you any questions. Just buy from us. Let's look at the contrast. You know, if you don't find a company like Flexfilm, which there's not a lot of space out there for what we're occupying, where do you go next? Do you go to Walmart? Do you go to the auto parts store? How about Amazon or eBay? There are a lot of people that don't want to go down that low, and that's not what we represent at Flexfilm. We've been in business over 15 years. Hate us or love us, we're still here, we're not going anywhere, and we have a lot of satisfied customers. So if you want the same exact product as big brand or something better, and you don't have to deal with the BS or the politics, give us a shot.